good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. My house is a complete disaster. We've had a day where normally I kind of clean up as we go, but I had a day where I was feeling kind of lazy. I was in the midst of painting our master bedroom, so stay tuned for that video. And I just kind of like tunnel visioned. Do you ever do that? You get tunnel visioned on a task and you kind of let everything else go to pot. So my house is a wreck. And so I thought, let's two kill birds. Huh? Let's kill two birds with one stone. I thought of doing just like a 10-minute tidy up video. I've seen those going around. I thought that would be fun. Hopefully it's gonna give you lots of motivation to get up and tidy your house. And I get to tidy up my house in the process. Everybody wins. So this is what our playroom looks like right now. Not too bad actually, because there isn't much in here. Just a few things on the floor that need to be picked up. We've got some messy stuff on the floor here. We've got B. Do you need to be picked up? Our living room is one of the areas that I'm really gonna be focusing on for today's video because there's just lots of tidying up that needs to happen. And yeah, there's dust bunnies everywhere. I can feel it under my toes. So the living room is gonna be a focus area. And then the kitchen. The kitchen is such a wreck. I mean, there's stuff everywhere. There's stuff all on the main floor. We've got dishes that need to go either in the dishwasher or to be hand washed. This is stuff we just picked up at the grocery store, but it has not been sanitized, so I need to disinfect all of that stuff. Plus there's just mess everywhere. So that's what things look like right now. Let's get to cleaning. I find when I need motivation to clean, it really helps to blare some uplifting music. There's something about putting on a fun playlist that really helps get you in the mood to get things done. I'm gonna be starting in my living room because that way I can then put a show on for the older boys and there's a higher chance that they'll stay there while I'm cleaning the rest of the house.
But every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting.
I tried to do something a little bit different with my throw cushions where I put them all on one side. You guys will have to let me know what you think about that, or if you like it more where it's symmetrical on both sides. Next, I am moving on to the dumpster fire, which is my kitchen.
Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be.
Please tell me I'm not the only one who dances while I'm cleaning. Let me know in the comments if you're someone who dances along to the music while you're cleaning. I need to feel like less of a crazy person.
All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself
Are you someone who puts everything in the dishwasher, or do you hand wash some stuff and put some stuff in the dishwasher? I find there's certain shapes of pots and pans and some of the cups and stuff where even though it can go in the dishwasher, I just prefer to hand wash it.
While you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
Next, I disinfected all the produce that we had gotten at the grocery store, and you can check the CDC website on how to make your at-home food disinfectant, because food is a porous surface. You can wash it and you can do a light bleach wash, but for the proper ratio and stuff, check out the CDC website because they have recipes there for you.
Know the photos that you took.
So once they've been disinfected and they air dry, then I can put them in my mesh produce bags and put them in the fridge.
Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right.
After I had tidied and then cleaned the surfaces of the dining room, I decided kind of on a whim to switch the table to be the other way around. I had never turned it this way in any of the dining tables that we had had in the past because I was worried that it would jut out too much to our back entrance, which we actually use all the time. So I'd never even tried it, but just goes to show sometimes you have to try things before you know whether they work or don't work, because I actually really like the way it looks. You guys let me know in the comments. Do you like the table position better where it was or where I have it now? In my last cleaning video, I had asked you guys what sort of sustainable products you use to clean your windows and mirrors, and a bunch of you had suggested crumpled up newspaper, so I was way too excited to give this a try, and guys, you were right, as always, game changer. There was 0 streaks. I was blown away.
Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
And last but not least, I took all of the rags that I had used to clean the main floor as well as the mat in my kitchen and put it in the washing machine so that everything would be clean and ready to go for the next day. That is it for me for today's video. I really hope that motivated you. I hope it made you want to finish your coffee and conquer your day, and I hope it put you in a good mood. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at elle.lindquist. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Like a flash in the universe.